Bugatti begins with the finest materials: aluminum, carbon fiber, and high-grade steel.
Before any production, every material is carefully inspected for quality, ensuring only the best enter the assembly line.
Precision cutting begins. Carbon fiber is laser cut to shape, forming the very skeleton of the Bugatti body. Aluminum frames are molded under immense pressure, providing a lightweight yet incredibly strong foundation. Robotic welders ensure the chassis is perfectly fused, providing structural integrity for the high-performance vehicle. Carbon fiber body panels are added, combining strength with sleek aerodynamic design. Advanced adhesives bond panels securely, creating a seamless and durable exterior. The body is prepped for painting with a high-quality primer, ensuring flawless adhesion and finish. Each Bugatti receives a base coat of its signature color, applied with precision for a mirror-like finish. Carbon fiber body panels are added, combining strength with sleek aerodynamic design. A protective clear coat adds depth and brilliance, giving the Bugatti its luxurious sheen. Paint is cured under controlled heat, locking in perfection and durability. Meanwhile, the heart of the Bugatti, the engine, is meticulously assembled piece by piece. Pistons and crankshaft are installed with exact precision, ensuring unparalleled performance. A protective clear coat adds depth and brilliance, giving the Bugatti its luxurious sheen. Twin turbochargers are fitted, giving the Bugatti its legendary speed and power. Every engine is tested on a dyno, verifying horsepower, torque, and flawless operation. A high-precision dual-clutch transmission is built, allowing seamless gear changes at high speeds. Advanced suspension components are added, providing perfect handling and ride comfort. High-performance brakes are fitted, ensuring safety and control at extreme speeds. Precision wheels and tires are installed, ready to grip the road with maximum efficiency. The interior begins to take shape, with reinforced frames ensuring safety and comfort. The interior begins to take shape, with reinforced frames ensuring safety and comfort. Hand-stitched leather seats are fitted, combining comfort and elegance. The driver's interface is completed, connecting every control with precision engineering.
A complex wiring harness powers every system, ensuring flawless functionality.
The interior begins to take shape, with reinforced frames ensuring safety and comfort. Advanced infotainment systems are integrated, blending luxury with cutting-edge technology. Doors are installed with exact alignment, and windows fitted to perfection. High-tech lasers ensure every panel aligns flawlessly, maintaining aerodynamic integrity.
Every curve and gap is scrutinized, ensuring aesthetic perfection.
The engine, the beating heart of the Bugatti, is precisely mounted to the chassis. Transmission is connected to the engine, enabling smooth power delivery to the wheels. State-of-the-art cooling system is added to maintain optimal engine temperatures. High-tech lasers ensure every panel aligns flawlessly, maintaining aerodynamic integrity. Custom exhausts are fitted, giving the Bugatti its iconic sound. Precision fuel systems ensure peak performance and efficiency.
Electrical systems are tested rigorously, confirming perfect functionality. All systems pass, we're clear.
Attention to detail inside ensures the cabin reflects Bugatti's luxurious legacy. High-end soundproofing guarantees a serene driving experience. Precision headlights and taillights are fitted, combining form and function. Aerodynamic enhancements are added to maximize speed and stability.
Every angle is checked for perfection, leaving nothing to chance.
The engine ignites, a symphony of power and precision. The engine ignites, a symphony of power and precision. Brake systems are tested to ensure absolute control at high speeds. Attention to detail inside ensures the cabin reflects Bugatti's luxurious legacy. Precision wheel alignment ensures perfect road contact and performance. Suspension geometry is calibrated for ultimate handling and comfort.
Exhaust tuning guarantees that unmistakable Bugatti growl.
Every electronic system is tested, ensuring flawless operation. Advanced safety systems are verified to protect every occupant. Exterior detailing enhances shine and protects the flawless finish. The car is now ready for final performance checks. Engine performance is tested under controlled conditions for reliability. All essential fluids are filled, preparing the car for optimal performance. Engine performance is tested under controlled conditions for reliability. Suspension and handling tested for precision at every speed. All electronics are double-checked, ensuring every system works perfectly. Every component meets exacting standards.
Approval is granted.
Protective films are removed, revealing the flawless exterior. The Bugatti gleams under factory lighting, ready for its journey. Iconic badges are placed, marking the car as a masterpiece. Every interior detail is perfected, blending luxury with performance. Even the underside is scrutinized for precision engineering. The final photo shoot captures the Bugatti in all its glory.
Documentation is finalized, keys ready for delivery.
The masterpiece moves to delivery, marking the completion of its incredible journey. Each Bugatti is a blend of art, engineering, and performance, ready for its new owner. Unleash the power, precision, and beauty on every road.
From raw material to masterpiece, this is how a Bugatti is born. Precision, passion, and perfection, every step of the way.